Looking to step up your thermal imaging game? Today I'm going to tell you about the FLIR E95. I'm Justin Brown with the New Source Network. In previous videos we've talked about best camera for your technician, best camera for project manager. Now today I want to show you a good camera for an owner-operator or somebody that's looking to find issues, a little bit more on the leak detection side, more diagnostics. We're at over 160,000 pixels of resolution. Big difference between this camera outside of resolution is bigger screen, removable battery. You have the option for an SD card on this where the other ones are internal memory only. You have the option for manual focus or autofocus. And a really nice feature about this one is with the laser, we actually get distance on it. So if you're looking to step up your game, you're going to use your camera for a lot more than just finding basic water issues. The FLIR E95 is a great choice. Call your local NSN dealer today to find out more.